Yeah, g'day everyone. This has been done for a reason, because the cornice bloke, he's coming in on Sunday and he's going to be coming out slightly and then running along with his cornice. Now, he's not able to stick his cornice to a shiny tile successfully, but now with me leaving him a gap like that, he's able to see all his rafters and trusses. What are they? Rafters? Nah, trusses. They're trusses there. So he is able to screw into that top plate or into the truss. So he's got, because cornice blokes, they whinge a bit if they've got nothing to screw to. If the tile is right up to the ceiling, they can't see. So that's a little point to remember, DIYs. And now with our tile here, it's all running the right way. If there's any water, that'll go through behind the tiles and run down the waterproof. It's all directional trowel. Nothing will stop the water running to the bottom. And you fit it in there like that. What I should have done though really is had that clip just over here so I can rest my corner on it, because it can get very easy to chip. So I'll wipe my hands and I'll come back to you again. That's a nice hole. The owner will be tickled pink with that. It'll cover nicely. Even though he's standing behind me and he's seen it already. See ya. Bye.